In this video, we'll go through the various options that are available for teachers using my classes in Record Schools. You To access the menu of options for a given class, you go to the top right hand of your screen and click on the settings menu where you can view missing assignments, which helps you see all students that have not submitted assignments for a given class, details about your class with the settings, and then concluding a class. Let's start with class details. This section helps you to see all the this section helps you see the basic information about a given class. You can see the grading scale. This grading scale is set by the school admins and cannot be changed by the teachers. But you also see the category weights, and this is where, as a teacher, you get to choose what the weightings are for each class and their contribution to the final grade. Once you log into Record Schools, these are automatically generated but with certain defaults, but you have the option of making some changes. In this case, suppose I want my test scores to contribute, uh, let's say 10%, and then I want my project to contribute 15%. I can do that. Note that you will not be able to save this until everything adds up to 100%. So in this case, I want projects to contribute to 15%, and once I'm done, I hit save, and that's pretty much recorded. Now let's go to the missing assignments report. This report helps you to see all students who have not submitted their assignments. This again refreshes once every 24 hours. And so any changes that you made will not be reflected right away until after about a day. In this missing assignments report, you also get to see what the potential impact on the student's final grade could be if they do not submit this assignment, which is very helpful. You also can see a summary of all the assignment types that have not been submitted so that you know which students to follow up with. You can collapse this menu or expand it as you wish. Then finally, we have the conclude class option. This option is available when you, as a teacher, are done with your grading and attendance for the term or even for the academic year, and you want to conclude the class. One thing to note is that when you conclude a class, it becomes read only, which means you cannot make any more changes to the class. You can still view reports and data. You can still view attendance data. You can still view gradebook scores and anything related to a class. You can still view it and access it. You just will not be able to make changes to the class. And this is important for your admin to be able to promote students to the next grade level for the next academic year. So once you are done with this, once you are done with the class, you've double checked your grading, everything, attendance, everything is intact, you can then go ahead and click conclude. Note that this action cannot be undone. So be absolutely sure you are done before you conclude the class. And that is it as far as additional options for teachers in record schools.